Thanks for meeting me, Alex. I'm feeling so overwhelmed with everything right now.
Of course, Jamie, how are you holding up?
Not great. I've decided to use a solicitor for my separation, but I haven't met them yet. I don't even know what to expect or how to make sure I'm doing the right thing.
It's good you've made that decision. A good family law solicitor can guide you through everything step by step. They can give you advice on separation agreements, divorce, custody, and child access, as well as the joint finances.
I suppose you're right. It's just all so daunting, and I feel like I should already have the answers.
You don't need to have all the answers, that's why you're getting help. Usually, solicitors will try to find early solutions to avoid drawn out court cases. It's all about finding out what works best for everyone in the family.
I'm worried about how much this is all going to cost.
Yeah, I get that. Solicitors usually charge by the hour for their time, but some might offer fixed fees for simpler cases. If money's tight, it's worth checking if you qualify for legal aid.
That's good to know. What is going to happen at my first meeting with my solicitor?
Make sure you're comfortable with them and know that they'll ask some quite personal questions about your finances, your property, anything else about the background. You need to be honest and upfront about all your concerns and goals, because this will help them give you the best advice. Everything you tell them, though, is confidential. They'll probably ask for documents. You need to check ahead what they want you to bring, and it's a good idea to find out what the fee for this first visit will be.
That's a lot to prepare.
The SLCC have a downloadable checklist you can print off to remind you of things to ask your solicitor. It helps to jot down notes about your situation and what you want to achieve. It'll make your meetings more productive.
And how long do you think this will all take?
That really depends. If you can agree on most things, it could go quicker, because then the court doesn't have to deal with all the issues. Just make sure to stay in touch with your solicitor and reply quickly to anything they ask.
Good point. Anything else I should know?
Your solicitor will send you terms of business that explain everything. Read it carefully and don't be afraid to ask questions if anything's unclear, as your solicitor would prefer for you to ask questions now than have a misunderstanding later on. Be sure to keep an eye on the costs and be honest about what you can afford. However, if you're unhappy with how your solicitor's dealt with your case, you can speak to the SLCC, who'll be able to help.
Thanks, Alex. I feel I've got a better handle on this now.
No problem, you've got this, Jamie. Take it one step at a time, and don't be afraid to lean on your solicitor and your friends when you need to.
For further information, go to our social media channels or go to our website to see our consumer guides.